because in the background, over the brick, painted on the brick wall, there's this spray painted graffiti. And I basically found a sample of graffiti writing online and took a screenshot of it. And I used it to guide me in creating this graffiti writing. And now I'm going to use the gradient tool with 2 shades of blue to create this gradient effect that you'll see in a second. But first I'm selecting, using the selection tools to isolate areas. And see that? Very nice. I've used the gradient tool to make this nice sort of graffiti effect of the words. Now I'm going to do the same thing with masked. I'm going to select it, I'm going to deselect the part that's already done, Avenger, and use that gradient tool to do that.